Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini 15 months full guide. Start by signing into your account and confirming eligibility settings. Verify payment method and tier choices immediately after. Check device compatibility and update firmware if required. Note any regional restrictions and prepare necessary documents or forms for verification. After purchase, follow on screen prompts to activate access and sync settings across devices for uninterrupted service. Begin by reviewing account details and activity history to confirm eligibility for Gemini 15 months access. Next, check the device list and system requirements to ensure compatibility before purchase. Gather identification or verification forms ahead of time to speed processing. If you encounter regional blocks, contact support and request guidance on available options. Finally, review tier differences and select the plan that best matches your needs before proceeding to checkout. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation here: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable while managing tech frustrations. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. After choosing a tier, carefully review pricing, renewal cadence, and any trial terms before confirming purchase for Gemini 15 months. Use an accepted payment method and double-check billing details to avoid interruptions. Once payment clears, follow the activation instructions provided in your account dashboard and sync the subscription to each compatible device. Monitor for confirmation messages and test key features to ensure full access is live and functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.